Hey everyone! In this lesson, we'll use ON1 Pro Lightpanel to quickly cull duplicate wedding photos, choose our selects, and organize them for easy exporting. So I'm inside of Lightroom and I have Lightpanel opened up right next to it. And I've gone ahead and I've analyzed my wedding shoot, and it's grouped these photographs into different categories here. We have duplicates, eyes closed, and blurry. But for this lesson, let's just focus on our duplicates. So I'll just click dupes here. This will open up my survey view mode inside of Lightroom that I can use to view these different groups of duplicate images. Now what I typically do is I'll just rate these images a 5-star if I want to add them into my selects here. Now you can quickly just navigate through the different images within the group by just using the arrow key on your keyboard. And if you want to navigate to the next group of duplicates, just hold down Command and then the arrow key. So let's go back here and let's just rate a few of these. We're not going to rate all of these images, but you'll get the idea on how you can use it in your own wedding or portrait photography sessions. So I actually like the second one here, so I'm going to navigate to that second photo. I'll rate it a 5-star, and that will add it into my selects. And I actually like this first one, rate that a 5. I like the one where he's looking a little bit more closely, or he's actually closer to the camera, I should say. So we'll rate that a 5. And I like that first one better here. And I like this second one where they're actually looking at each other. And let's go the smiling one here, and maybe actually this more stoic one there. And then we'll grab this one, and then this one as well. And then one last group here. Let's go for the collar adjustment, and then the one where he's looking at the camera. So we've navigated through a few different groups and we've rated a few different images 5 stars to add them into our selects. So what you can do now to quickly sort through this library of images and make sure your selects are essentially together when you're viewing them is to go into Lightroom, go into your grid view here, and what you're going to do is go down to this sort option and choose rating, and this will place all of those 5-star images right at the top so that you can easily find those images. You can select them as needed, and then if you need to export these selects, they're right there for the picking so that you can quickly get them to your client as needed.